தட் வாஸ் அ வண்டர்ஃபுல் பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ். சேவ் வாட்டர்ன்ற ஒரு கான்செப்டை வந்து இதுக்கு மேலே கிளியராக சொல்ல முடியாது. டே டு டே லைஃப்பில் நம்ம பண்ணுற மிஸ்டேக்கை தான் இவங்க இங்கே ஹைலைட் பண்ணி காமிச்சிருக்காங்க. தேங்க்யூ பாய்ஸ்.
Goes to Dr. S. Babu Rangarajan for producing 100% result. Let me have Dr. S. Babu Rangarajan on stage, head of the Department of Computer Science. I request all the students to cheer our staff members. The next award goes to Mrs. B. Shanmugusundari, Professor of CSE Department. Mrs. B. Shanmugusundari, Professor of CSE Department, for producing 100% results and for journal and for her special book publications. I now request Mrs. A. Hasina Bibi, Professor of CSE Department, to come on to the stage. Mrs. A. Hasina Bibi, for producing 100% results. The next award goes to Mr. S. Samshuddin Shafi, Professor of CSE Department, for producing 100% results. Mr. S. Samshuddin Shafi. The next award goes to Mrs. I. Vallireddy. Mrs. I. Vallireddy, for producing 100% results. Mrs. I. Vallireddy, for producing 100% results. She is actually the alumni of our college. Now I ask Mrs. Y. Roja Begum to come on to the stage for producing 100% results. Mrs. Y. Roja Begum. I then call upon Professor C.S. Sri Dayanandishwari for producing 100% results.
I request
all the students to cheer our staff members. They have worked hard for you. Ms. C.S. Sri Dayanandishwari. I then call upon Mrs. C. Rekha, Professor of EC Department. Mrs. C. Rekha. Mrs. C. Rekha. I request all our students to cheer our staff members. Cheer up. Mrs. C. Rekha for producing 100% results and for journal. Next, I call Mrs. X.M. Binisha for producing 100% results. Mrs. X.M. Binisha of EC Department. Now, Mrs. S.I. Padma of EC Department is honored. Mrs. S.I. Padma of EC Department is honored for her book publication for publication in the journal and for producing 100% results. Mrs. S.I. Padma. It's a credit that our staff has published book. I request all the students to cheer. I then call Mr. S.M. Mustafa Nawaz of EC department. He's honored for his book publication and for his journal. Mr. S.M. Mustafa Nawaz. Mr. S.M. Mustafa Nawaz. I then call upon Mrs. H. Riaz Fatima. Mrs. H. Riaz Fatima for producing 100% results and for her journal. Mrs. H. Riaz Fatima. Our alumni, it's a special mention that our alumni, Mrs. Riaz Fatima is our alumni. It's indeed a credit for us. Next I call Mr. T.M. Muhammad Usman of Civil Department. Mr. T.M. Muhammad Usman of Civil Department for his journal publication. He's been honored for his journal publication. Next I call Dr. A. Kalai Selvi of MCA Department, Head of the Department of MCA, for producing 100% result. And she's a senior tutor. Next I call Mr. S. Muthuperumal Pillai on stage for producing 100% result. Next, Mrs. P. Nasrin Beham. Mrs. P. Nasrin Beham of MCA Department is honored for producing 100% result. Mrs. P. Nasrin Beham. Next, I call Mrs. P. Purna Nandini Devi of MCA Department for producing 100% result. Mrs. P. Purna Nandini Devi of MCA Department. Next, Ms. K. Kalayarasi of MBA Department is honored for producing 100% result. Ms. K. Kalayarasi. We then honor Ms. K. Abzana Banu of Mathematics Department for producing 100% result. Ms. K. Abzana Banu. Next, Mr. Subant Williams of EEE Department. He's been honored for his journal publication and for his 10 years of service. For his 10 years of service in this institution. Mr. Subant Williams. Next, Mrs. Agnes Ramina. Mrs. Agnes Ramina is honored for producing 100% results. Agnes Ramina. The next special award goes to our administrative officer, Mr. Ahmed Bashir, for his 10 years of service in this institution. The special award for our administrative officer for his 10 years of service in this institution. Next, I call upon Mr. Benny Arul of System Administrative Department. Mr. Benny Arul of the Network Department. Mr. Benny Arul of Network Department for his 20 years of service in this institution. Let us all give them a loud applause. I request all the students to cheer up Mr. Benny Arul for his 20 years of service in this institution. Thank you, sir.